Therapeutic cloning. So this is another type of cloning. Keep in mind that cloning is a type of asexual reproduction. Now in therapeutic cloning we make use of human embryonic stem cells that are obtained from the inner cell mass of the embryo, that is at the blastocyst stage. So embryos are usually 5 to 7 days old and they are present before implantation. These embryos then grow, proliferate and differentiate into various cell types. Now, what is the purpose of human embryonic stem cells? They are usually used to generate human organs and tissues for treatment purposes. Even today, such organs and tissues face organ rejection or tissue graft rejection due to the immune system. Now, what are the solutions of these problems? This problem can be overcome by making use of somatic cell nuclear transfer. जैसे कि हमने डॉली में सोमेटिक सेल न्यूक्लियर ट्रांसफ़र का ही इस्तेमाल किया था. इसमें सोमेटिक सेल्स हम पेशेंट्स के अपनी बॉडी से लेते हैं. देन न्यूक्लियस फ्रॉम द सोमेटिक सेल इज़ प्लेस्ड इनटू एन न्यूक्लिएटेड एग. और अगर पेशेंट फीमेल हो तो एग भी फीमेल पेशेंट के ही होंगे. इस तरह वी कैन गेट द सेम जीनोम एज दैट ऑफ द डोनर सेल. Now, a number of ethical, moral, social and legal issue arises regarding therapeutic cloning. Now, once the embryo is removed, what is the moral status? There can be loss of the embryo, there can be destruction of the embryo. Then patient has the right to live. Who has to take the decision of the therapeutic cloning? Now, what is the reason that in vitro fertilization is morally right, that it is beneficial for heterosexual couples in which male is sterile? Then this in vitro fertilization play a very important role to give birth to the baby. In the same way, lesbians can have baby without making use of the sperms. So if it is not wrong for in vitro fertilization, then why it is morally wrong to save the life of the child, and it is also responsible for the potential donor exploitation. Now, another ethical issue arises is the slippery slope, that never confuse therapeutic cloning with reproductive cloning. Therapeutic cloning में हम human embryonic stem cell का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं और उसके ज़रिए हम human organ और tissues बना रहे हैं ताकि ट्रीटमेंट को बेहतर किया जा सके. इसके ज़रिए एक पूरा ऑर्गेनिज्म या इंडिविजुअल नहीं बनाया जा रहा. So never confuse reproductive cloning with therapeutic cloning. Now, therapeutic cloning is there, but it is not accessible by poor communities because it is very expensive and poor communities cannot afford this. So in reference to poor communities, they think that only therapeutic cloning is made for the rich communities. Then apart from moral and ethical issues, is also arises issues regarding social justice and healthcare disparities.